Hello, everyone. I'm Sam Reichert. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your weather almanac brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited. Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven, located at 5847 Getwell Road, Suite A8, across from the water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. High today should be 80 with cloudy skies for the most part. Slight chance for a shower. Low temperature tonight, 63. 68's the average high. 48's the average low. Record high temperature on this date, 1895, was 87 degrees, and the record low set in 1955, 27 degrees. Sunrise today at 6:52, sets at 7:18. That means you have 2 minutes, 12 seconds. More daylight today compared to yesterday, and your winds will be from the south today, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Relax and enjoy the birds at Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven.